A lot of lightning with this. A lot of lightning. I can start to see a little bit of a shelf cloud resemblance. It's hard to tell with it getting dark now, but there's a little bit of clearing on the left side of the screen. Heaviest of the rain's about 5 miles or so to my west, and that's where the strongest winds are also residing based on velocity. Getting a little gusty here, again, probably up to 15 at most. Definitely the overall wind threat is a little bit low, but still gusty winds probably to 50, 55 miles an hour locally as this blasts through. Will it be over my neighborhood? We'll see. But certainly in the Haven, Methuen, Lawrence area, we're going to have some gusts, I think, at least 50 to 55 with this. Yeah, you can kind of make out, I'll zoom out here, you can kind of make out that shelf cloud appearance right there. Now it's time to go underneath the shelf. Yeah, it looks like a shelf cloud to me.